up your Pocket Wi-Fi at any post box in Japan before 3 p.m.
Then, of course, the Pocket Wi-Fi. So, power bank, cable, adapter, yan, the Pocket Wi-Fi. So, madali lang siya. Here's the Wi-Fi name and password. Just search it on your Wi-Fi connection sa phone.
Thank you, Japan Wireless, for sending this Pocket Wi-Fi. If you'll be traveling to Japan and want to experience unlimited data, check out the description box below. Get your 10% off on Pocket Wi-Fi if you use our coupon code posted on the description box.